This is from our Christian Liberty Nature Reader.
No, thank you. Not the ear. The eagle. No, thank you. The eagle. The bald eagle is a special bird because it stands for the United States. It has a brown body and a white head. We know that.
Mm-hmm.
From far away, it looks like the feathers are thank you, Ellie. Missing from its head. That's funny. That is why it is called bald. I get it. The eagle has a hooked beak.
Mm-hmm.
Hooked beak. It is sharp. Covered claws. Its wings and body are large and powerful.
It has sharp, curved
claws.
Mm-hmm.
Its wings and body are large and powerful.
Now look, I have that too.
Cool. The bald eagle is a sea eagle. Sea eagle. Its home is near the water. Some eagles eat rabbits and birds. The main food of the bald eagle is fish. Yeah. The eagle has very good eyesight. It can see small things as far as 3 miles away.
Wow.
Holy cow!
That's far.
The eagle is a beautiful bird. It is good for men because it helps to control
Yes,
pests.
that's right.
Why does it control them?
Because it'll eat some of them. And so they won't be so many. Because it's all part of the circle of life.
Don't pause it.
Okay, what did you find was interesting?
It can see small things.
Yeah.
As far as 3 miles
I thought
away.
that was interesting too. What's the next thing we're going to read about?
A leaf cutter bee? Like a leaf cutter ant, but a bee?
Yeah, sounds like it.
A leaf cutter bee. Not all bees live in hives. What? Oh. Some bees are stationary bees.
Solitary.
Solitary bees?
Like they're alone.
What? No way. Ain't funny. They build a nest only for their own babies. What? No way. They do not belong to a colony.
Because a colony would be a community of them. But they're solitary, so they don't live in a community.
I get it. The solitary bee is a leaf cutter. She digs a tunnel under a rock or a piece of wood. Sometimes her home is under a
Shingle.
Of a roof. What's a shingle?
Like one of those squares on our roof. Each one of those is a shingle.
No way.
Mm-hmm.
God has given this bee a special gift. She knows how to cut a circle. What?
That's pretty amazing.
Circle like this.
Yeah.
I know how to cut a circle. Not really.
Yeah.
She cuts out pieces of leaves. She brings them to her tunnel. She lays them beside one another. She makes them into a bundle shaped like a tiny cup.
Wow.
She uses wax. Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
I thought this part was really cool, and one of these was really
Okay.
cool.
That they're solitary?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Circle, circle.
Here it is.
She knows how to cut a circle.
That's pretty cool.
She uses... She uses many circles of a leaf when she is finished. When she is finished, she lays her eggs inside. The leaf cutter bee makes bread from pollen. Bee bread from pollen. She leaves it in the nest with her egg or eggs. It doesn't say that, but she probably has more eggs than one egg.
I wonder.
When the baby hatches, it will have food to eat until it grows up. That's a lot of bee bread.
Yeah.
Look at that.